I'm Joel Bump with RDL here at InfoComm 2015, and we're going to take a brief look at a new series of very ultra-compact loudspeakers that RDL is introducing at the show this year. The first speakers that we have all are available in the standard colors that are used in the industry. We have stainless steel, white, black, and gray, and RDL also offers matching cover plates for those that are powder coated in the same paint and made in the RDL factory. The basic speaker that we have has an 8 ohm input. As you can see on the rear, it's just a 2-lug terminal block, detachable terminal block, and it's housed in a metal enclosure that is specifically damped so that it doesn't have any vibrations, and it is also, although as about as large an enclosure as we could put together, it does fit in any standard electrical box. These, in our demo here, these particular speakers are being powered by an RDL Decora-Style amplifier, and the source is being selected using an in-wall source selector that RDL also manufactures, also available in the various colors. As we move across, then we get into the Format A loudspeakers. And these have a volume control on the front of the speaker because they contain a built-in amplifier. The source for these is Format A. So if we take a look at the connections on the rear, you'll see that there's just a single cable coming into the back of the unit. That cable provides audio on either pair A, B, or C, and it also provides power that operates the amplifier. In the case of the demo that we're showing here, we're using one of our Format A source selectors, which actually selects audio off of pair A, B, or C, and then feeds it over here to the amplifier on whichever pair we have assigned it to on the other unit. So one of the things that could be a problem with a very small localized speaker of this type would be that if you were to overdrive it, you could either damage the speaker or you could create some distortion. For that reason, these products all have a built-in compressor limiter that's designed to be as inaudible as possible, but it also allows relatively high sound pressure levels out of the speaker with fairly inaudible compression, but the speaker's fully protected, and it makes it to where if you aren't clipping the input of the entire system, you cannot clip the input of the amplifier. So you get very, very clean and well-defined audio from this series of products. The final speaker in this series is the speaker which is locally powered. So if we turn it around and take a look at the rear panel here, this has a balanced plus 4 dBu audio input or a minus 10 unbalanced audio input and local power. So for these particular products, you do need to apply power 24 volts DC directly to the modules. And just as the Format A products were described, these also contain a compressor limiter to avoid them from being overdriven and distorted. For more information on these speakers, visit the RDL website at www.rdlnet.com.